Hi guys, my name is Sarah and welcome to the Mardi Gras Bling It On Parade. So I am joining, I think about 18 or 20 other artists in this 3-day collaboration. It is the last day of the collaboration, Fat Tuesday. So what we're gonna be working on is an 8 by 16 inch canvas. And then in addition to that, we're gonna do a kiss pour. This is gonna be more than enough paint, but it'll give me enough to work out a composition in the long run. And I'll be pouring it. I may not use it all, but we are going to do a kiss pour on this, and we are going to fill these cups right here. So the colors that I can use are green and purple and gold. And then I can also add in either black or white. I'm choosing to do white. And I'm supposed to use beads or glitter or something like that, but I'm going to consider using some kind of style of a sequence here that actually out of the corner of my eye, I just saw that I had. I wasn't gonna use anything, but now I've got either some of this or some of this I'll put on at the end, I think. So we'll figure that out. We'll cross that bridge when we get there. So it's gonna be a 12-minute video, I was told. So wish me the best because I'm not really good at 12-minute videos. Come in with, let's do a little, the colors I'm having here. I have the white. This is Parakeet by TLP, this little piggy pigments. And I'm gonna add some of that to each cup. Oops, they're light because they're not full. And then I'm gonna add a little bit of Prussian green by Arteza. I love Arteza paints. There are a slew of them that I can't live without, and I will have a link to Arteza and a discount code below where you can get some of my favorites like Prussian blue, Prussian green, Bordeaux red, etc. And this is Permanent Violet Dark by Golden. So I'm starting off a little small in the beginning because I don't want to overwhelm anything. All right, so here we go with a little more of the Parakeet. We're gonna come in with some Prussian green again. And I don't have a whole lot, but what you need to know is greens can overpower a pour. So I am doing, not using too much of it. Yeah, I can't talk today. So we're gonna come in with the white. And then some gold. And let's do the violet dark, which just poured all the way into the cup and I meant to layer it. Let me try that again. There we go. And some Parakeet. Come in with white. Now I don't want this piece super dark, so I am adding quite a lot of white. And I may only fill these halfway. Use up the rest of my Prussian green. And then a little swish of gold in there. It's a small canvas. We don't want the gold to overpower everything, so I'm gonna do that. And then come in with the remaining bit. In this one. What a hot mess. Okay. So I'm not very concerned, but I think this is about all I'm gonna add into these cups here. I am going to add my white. And I have another cup of it to use as a flow extender if I so need it. Now when you do a kiss pour, it's going to create obviously somewhat of a circle and it's gonna expand this way. So we're gonna be trying not to have too much of it flow off of it. So I may have to stop. So I'm gonna actually start this at an angle. We're gonna travel a little with it. I think that's all I'm gonna do. And I am totally losing a lot here, which we knew was gonna happen. But let's come in and have some fun. And we're gonna wreck it this way. We're gonna come down over here first. Oh, it's so pretty. And then we're gonna come over, I think actually I'm gonna do, and we could touch up the corners after, for sure. I think I have a little more. I'll help this move off on this side. There we go. All right, now we're gonna come down and do this corner over here. And I think what I'm gonna do is also use up what's in here, this last bit. Oh, look at that green. All right, so I am super digging on this. Set that down. So next we're gonna come in with some of those little sequins. All right, let's add a little more in here. So we are gonna bring you in just a moment. Okay, so as you can see, the sequins are strategically placed in areas of the composition. Sort of hard to see it all together just yet, but we will show the piece when it is dry. I would say probably next week. I don't think I could get the flash to work right now, but this is pretty cool. Just trying to show you the sequence. But the composition is pretty awesome. I love the permanent violet dark mixed with the white, so it wasn't so bold of a piece. I did not want the colors to be super bold like that area, but I don't mind that area. Well, let's focus. Here we go. So that is the end result. Guys, thanks so much for joining us on this collaboration of 3 days with 18 to 20 artists. Next up is Cynthia Porter Studios, so head on over to see what she creates. Have a great day, guys, and thank you for including me. Bye.